Hey fellows, Jer here. Have you ever heard the word pay-per-call affiliate marketing? If not, then you need to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you in this review video. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this product called the 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint. So what this is all about, guys, essentially, or in a nutshell, this is a training program that allows you, or that will teach you how you can go from 0 to 22K per month passively with 5 pages, simple niche sites. Okay, now let me show you first case studies. Okay, let me move my camera first right here. Okay, so these are the income proof from the creator. Okay, and this email came from the elocal.com. I'm gonna explain to you guys what is elocal later in this video. Okay, so for the month of April, he makes $28,000. For the month of August, he makes $14,000. For the month of February, he makes $22,000. For the month of January, he makes $34,000. For the month of July, $31,000. For the month of June, $17,000. For the month of March, $25,000. For the month of May, 21, September 17, right? So these are the income proof from the creator. And again, this email came from the elocal.com. Okay, now unlike with the traditional affiliate marketing where you sell or you promote digital products like softwares and courses, now this one uses different approach. So instead of promoting digital products, you will be promoting local services. Okay, now let me show you an example of that. Okay, if we take a look at this platform right here, which is Offerable, now there will be an option that says pay per call offers. Okay, you will get paid per call. Okay, so for example, you can actually narrow this down for specific countries. For example, United States. If you wanted to promote offer from the United States, there are a lot of offers right here. So for example, there is car accident that pays you $300 per call. There is pest control that pays you $48 per call. Okay, and there's also appliance repair, $16 per call. You can narrow this with different offer. There's also credit repair, $120. Health insurance, $48 per call. Okay, just choose which offer you would like to promote. Okay, and again, you will get paid per call. Okay, you don't need to do the selling. Now this is the example of the niche site that you can create. So this is the right here. Now there will be a call to action button right here. Now if someone clicks on this one, you will be able to track that call, and if someone call this specific business, you will get paid. Depends on how much the offer pays you. For example, this one $40, right? So that's basically how this works. Okay, and what's really cool about this, guys, is that the creator, or the let me show you that inside of the training module right here. What's really cool about this method is that you won't need to spend anything for traffic. You'll be using you'll be following a simple process, or you'll be following a specific strategy on how to rank your website on the first page of the search result. Okay, that would be in the module number 3. So you'll be able to learn that in the module number 3. Okay, so let me show you first these other modules right here. So let me first go to the case studies. Okay, so there will be 2 case studies right here. Niche site sold for $280,000. So you'll be able to figure out or learn what this niche site is that you can also go after and sell, or promote this kind of offer. And there's also $20,000 to $30,000 per month with one site listing, or one site. Okay, so it doesn't have to be multiple website. You can just get started with one website. Following this case study right here, you can make $20,000 to $30,000 per month in just a single website. Okay, so those are the case studies. In module number 1, this is where you learn how to figure out your niche. Okay, you'll be able to learn the good niche and the bad niche, okay, how to research your niche, okay, how to verify your niche, okay. So that's the module number 1. And then the module number 2 is this is quite interesting, because you'll be able to learn how to set up a website, or how to create a website, how to choose a domain, how to register your domain, how to install WordPress, how to install plugins, how to create content, okay, how to create articles. So you'll be able to learn an in-depth training right here. You will get tons and tons of knowledge. And then in module number 3, so this is where you make money. So this is where you rank your website on the first page of the search result. Again, you will be following a strategic approach and ranking your website on the first page of the search result, okay. So this is step by step right here, okay. And then in module number 4, you'll be able to learn different network, okay. So you can also learn how to monetize your website effectively, okay. So there are different networks, like here, for example, eLocal. So let me actually show you that eLocal. So let me go to eLocal. So this is eLocal right here. So you can also use this platform and also apply as an affiliate and get paid per call using this platform, okay. Again, that will be taught inside of this module right here. So there will be different marketplaces network that you can apply, okay. And then in the module number 5 is outsourcing. So if you don't want to do the work yourself, so you can outsource this with freelancers, right, okay. So you can outsource this with different freelancing website if you don't want to do the work. Right now, there will be a work involved, guys. This will not work if you won't take action. You need to take action and follow the strategic approach, follow the step-by-step process. That way you can get results, okay. You need to be patient with the training, okay. And you need to apply the training, because if you don't, again, you will not be able to see a result, okay. No one's gonna help you. But if you are willing to outsource the work yourself, then you can do that by following into this training right here, okay. Now if you guys would purchase this through the link down in the description of this video, I have something special bonuses that can help you guys out with this product, okay. My bonus number 1, guys, is a DV website builder, okay. Now again, there will be an option, or there will be a module right here that will show you how to build your website, but the problem is that you're gonna need to purchase a website builder for WordPress. So this is where my bonus can help you out. So this is a Devi WordPress website builder. So this is a drag and drop website builder that allows you to create a website, okay. And you don't need to pay any monthly fee for this software, okay. So that's my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, is site template. Now again, the problem is that you're gonna need to design your website, okay. You're gonna need to make it professional, just like this one right here. You cannot create a website that doesn't look professional. You need to create a professional looking website like this. So this is where, again, my bonus comes in. So let me show you the site template right here. All right, so this is the site template right here, and you can customize this, guys, with your liking. You can put your own keywords right here. You can replace the images right here, right. You can customize this with any niches, and you can publish your content or blog article right here, okay. So this is the template right here. You can publish your content, and you can easily do this inside of WordPress, okay. So that's my bonus number 2, okay. So this is a really beautiful looking website, and this is mobile friendly template, guys, okay. So you don't need to do this manually, and don't need to hire someone to create a website for you, because I'll be providing you this template. This is a one-click install template, and this is gonna work in any kind of niches. You can customize the logo, the look and feel. You can easily change the color of this template, okay. So that's my bonus number 2. And other bonuses as well. You can learn these bonuses by visiting my bonus page right here. Now, I'm not going to explain too much all of my bonuses because it will take us a lot of time, but these bonuses can help you guys out with the 22k low competition affiliate blueprint. Okay, now there will be an upsell. You can learn those upsell by visiting my bonus page below this video. Okay, so I think that would be my review, but if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. Try my best to answer all of your questions. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.